Okay, see. First of all, I am David Pincilla. I am a physician by profession. I am affiliated at Vicente Sotto Memorial Medical Center. I am one of the administrators there, and as well as the one of the boards for interviewing applicants. So, if you have family members or friends who wants to go inside there from midwifery down to up to the nursing area of whatever employees that you have to, but I could probably somehow help. Okay. And then, I'm affiliated with different private hospitals such as Mahai Hospital, UCMed, Veles, Visayas Med, from previously named Visayas Community, and in Lapu-Lapu I have one of the medical director of Meditrust Laboratory and Diagnostic. It's just near a corner of Humay Street, in front of Crown Regency Hotel, which is the same building as Club Valentino. Usually the people would know Club Valentino. And then I am what inspired me to join Eagles Club or Aguila is my brother-in-law is previous president also in Iligan City. And he invited me before, just like I'm a member of the Guardians before, he invited me, he introduced me. I was an officer before in Diablo Guardians in Iligan, and I also helped here when I transferred here in Cebu. I went to Danao and everything, so through medical missions. Of course, for whatever I can help as my profession, I was here regarding this club, the Eagle Club. Mr. Rex Korea is my patient, and as well as her wife, due to the Katungian sickness and wife. And then eventually the family members. And then Sir Robert, I was looking for a place nearby Vicente Sotto because ako ang misis medyo gusto na migulipas Lapu-Lapu, especially if the kids are SDC na in San Carlos. So I have 3 kids, by the way, 2 boys and 1 girl. So my purpose or my reason why I joined Aguila is just I've heard a lot of what Eagle is due to my brother-in-law. But kanalagi, I was not hesitant, but medyo probably because of my job in Vicente Sotto, and they're becoming more strict nowadays if you're a government employee, and I think issue. So I have to be careful, like for example, in the morning I have to be there as a consultant, as a specialist as well. So that's why most of my clinics are in the afternoon. Hapon yun, or gabi na ako mag-rounds. But ang nakuha man good is when I probably for me, I always believe God's timing is always the best. That's why when naabot ko dili karon, meaning naging ko probably I'm the type of person who doesn't quit. So di ko mo quit ba? So kung naka-isdot sila, sir, ganina, na iwason, I always finish it. And the meetings itself is medyo okay po sa ko because every Saturday. So medyo, I believe everybody's working, so medyo nindot ko ng decision na every Saturday. And then na-shock ko ganin ko sa Monday News. Pura ko po kagoy 200 ko na lang. Okay na niya kayo. Kaya parang sa among department 1,000 per month. Wala kailangan sa mga hospital. So na okay na ako ang 200. And the people here are more into everybody has a different attitudes. But the good thing is naamagutan ng somehow makabali-bali. And the good thing is you have to maintain your loyalty and somehow be a professional yet anytime. Mura ka na ako ng and I could somehow go with other just like you, sirs, lahi tawag ka ng profession, but our goal, if makasultan in a specific club, will be the same. And when I was listening, I was touched by every suggestion, no? That medyo katong mga active, yun mo na happy ko, mga salamat, medyo kuhan dyan, no? And I see a lot, and I was really happy kay nakasway dito ako ko, sirs, na when I was in Guardian po, medyo nakagamay dito, nakakagubot, medyo nabaguhan ko, because I was new as a president at that time, malugan siya, kabiyari kagubot. But I believe with your help, sir, with your help, if ever giving me a chance to be a member of this very prestigious club, I would really glad to help whatever I can, as in my profession, for whatever magtabang ako ninyo puhun, and then buhat niya kung nagdagang ideas regarding health and wellness for everybody. Yes. And I always have lots of mga missions. I gather samples, mga common care like diabetes, hypertension, pain relievers, paracetamol, even for the kids. So if ever makakuha ko schedule, I always share it. I always share it for free. So that's why right now, if na may scheduled nga meeting, I could bring some, and probably if na ay makasuwag ka, not just prescription, sirs, like, for example, maintenance na ninyo ba? I could put up, makabutang pa karon, listed names, so that makabutang ko dun sa maintenance, probably I can get it, pero ang ako walang suggestion, sometimes mga sirs, naman ko yung mga brand name, ang ako lang ihangyo, okay lang mga nga, hindi ko pareha brand name, basta ang importante is ang generic name are the same. Okay, same actions naman din siya. So, murag makahatag na ko kay, sometimes masakap sa balay. That's why panghatag na ako sa mga guardia or sa mga trabante sa Soto. So, but now I can give it and I can share it to you. But ako, I really like Eagles. I also had Demolay before when I was in college. So, karon nakaagin ko ang mga prestigious organizations, but now I am very challenged ko nga if ever tagaan ko chance to be a member of this club, then I will do everything I can, especially mga meetings. I know I'm busy, hindi ko kanang itong sarcastic or kanang ko nga adili ko busy. I am busy, but yung schedule na good is just like once a month, so pwede naman kinako-adjust at time. Unless it's every day. But if it's just once a month, or na may lain, na palitaan na magigipagi. That's why thank you so much for inviting me, sir. Thank you. I hope I can be of help in the future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.